Hello, students. Welcome to our online classes. I hope that all of you are doing good. Today, I'm going to start new chapter. This is chapter 6 from class 7, Town Traders and Craftsmen. In this chapter, we will discuss about types of urban centers like administrative centers, pilgrimage centers, port towns, new towns, crafts and technology, internal and external trade. So, the period between 12th and 18th century was a phase of unpretended prosperity and growth in trade and crafts. The growth of town in various parts of the country was another notable feature of this period. Which period? From 12th to 18th century. These developments were the outcome of political and economic policies, and these economic policies followed by rurals in Delhi and regional centers, and these towns grew into trading and industrial centers, which in turn led to general prosperity. Thus, a variety of employment came about us compared to the primary occupation of agriculture. So, in this chapter, we shall study a variety of urban centers such as coal towns, pilgrimage centers, port, trading towns that emerged and developed in the medieval period. Urban centers. Urban centers developed because of the specific functions they served. So, administrative centers. Rurals built a new cities as their capital and rebuilt old one. The administrative capital of Delhi sultans and Mughal emperors like Agra, Delhi, and Lahore give into thriving cities. Delhi itself was transformed several times from Siri to Tughlaqabad, Shahjahanabad to become the most important capital in the east. Akbar built Fatehpur Sikri near Agra and built fort at Allahabad near Banaras, Allahabad, which is also known as now Prayagraj. The capitals of regional kingdoms also grew into importance. Urban centers like Ahmedabad in Gujarat, built by Sultan Ahmad Shah, and Vijayanagar, Hampi. So, administrative centers are the capital cities, and these capital cities are developed by the rurals like Agra, Delhi, Lahore, and these cities are built for the administrative purpose. Temple towns or pilgrimage towns. Religion has played an important role in establishing pilgrims centers. The town is started growing around the temples, rivers, and places of sanctity as people believed in Tirath Yatra, that is, visiting place of sanctity. सो तीर्थ यात्रा वो प्लेस होती थी, हम मंदिरों में जाते थे और वहाँ पे कुछ दिन रुकते थे और मंदिर घूम के आते थे. तो इस वजह से क्या हुआ कि जहाँ पे टेम्पल्स थे उसके चारों तरफ सेटलमेंट होना शुरू कर दिया हो गया. दैट्स हाउ पिलग्रिमेज टाउन्स आर डेवलप्ड. दिस प्रोसेस पॉपुलर प्लेसेस लाइक काशी, इलाहाबाद, वाराणसी, मथुरा, हरिद्वार, द्वारका, रामेश्वरम, बद्रीनाथ एंड सांची grew as pilgrims towns. पिलग्रिम्स टाउन्स क्यों? यहाँ पे लोग तीर्थ यात्रा के लिए आते थे. नाउ सेंटर ऑफ ट्रेड एंड कॉमर्स. The growth of trade and commerce proved to be major driving force for the urban emergence of urban centers. Indian merchant exchange surplus goods such as spices, tea, silk, textiles, semi-precious stones, and merchandise that were in great demand in other countries with various regions of India. Market streets are called hart, and large retail markets called mandis existed in towns and large villages. Uh, Certain terms like Banaras, Kachipuram, Pulikat became important textile and craft centers, and traders traveled long distance with their goods in big groups called caravans. क्या था कि यहाँ पे टाउन एंड ट्रेडर्स अकॉर्डिंग टू रॉ मटेरियल अवेलेबिलिटी, कांचीपुरम, पुलिकट, ये सब टेक्सटाइल और क्राफ्ट सेंटर्स बन गए। और जो मार्केट स्ट्रीट्स थी उनको कहा जाता था हाट, एंड लार्ज रिटेल मार्केट्स को क्या कहा जाता था, मंडीज। And the traders traveled long distance with their goods in big groups are called caravans. So this is all about this chapter. Thank you, students.